These will scratch your paint and your metalwork. So don't eat it.
I'm not.
Welcome back. I've had a couple of messages asking how I keep my bike clean, given that I take her out in all weathers and all places. I'll show you how I do it. I just want to stress, I am not a professional detailer, but this is what I found works for me. I've always gone by the 2 bucket method. So 1 bucket with the inserts, has all the detergent in, and then so I go from there to the bike. Before I go back to that bucket, I rinse off with this one. Before I get the bike out, the first thing I do is, not that one, clean the chain off. From there, I'll get the bike out, put it up on stands. If you haven't got axle stands, it's not a major issue. It's easier to spin the wheels and get cleaning. Now, I am quite funny when it comes to my cloths. So I've got some of these ones here. So these microfibers, if you're like me and you've got rough hands, you better tell the difference straight away. Now these ones feel like Velcro and they feel horrific. I've noticed these will scratch your paint and your metalwork. So I don't use them on anything I want to keep nice. But what I have got is these ones that are super soft and it doesn't stick to it at all. So yeah. But these are colour coded. So my blue ones are for my glass. I've got remember this now. The blue ones are for the glass. The grey ones are for the carbon fibre. And then the yellow ones were paintwork, but I've now changed to a sheepskin mitt, which you'll see in a minute. And the green ones are just spare. So sheepskin mitts take polish off. I have also got a polishing cloth, which is quite nice. Come in if you want. It's all right. It's only Charlie. Polish applicators, Autoglym. They're quite cheap, very, very good. Again, these two, well...
Really good they are.
Are they?
Yeah.
The nice ones will be used for all my paintwork, and then the one that's a bit old, and well, you can see that, hopefully you can see that. The old one is what I use on my carbon fibre. And then, again, I'll try and drop links in. This drying cloth from Halfords is amazing. I've gone through a couple of different types of drying cloths. Like I've got the Autoglym one here, which is, I don't really like it. But yeah, the cheap one, for me, I think is better. Chain cleaner. I've got a nice big brush for when I finish polishing, and because I've got loads of bolts and seams. Obviously, polish gets in there. This is just perfect. Quite a lot, quite a few. This little kit here, again, I'll put a link online. Is your Autoglym kit. Now, I have added to this, so I bought it, and then I added to it. And I set it out in order of how I clean the bike. So it goes, shampoo, the Magma, engine and machine cleaner, clean wheels, then we polish it, and then we'll hit it up with some ceramic spray, which will give about 3 months protection from that.
3 months?
Yeah. This one I've never used is the tyre dressing, because you should never put tyre dressing on your motorbike tyres. And then Autoglass repair, Autoglass replace. Wrong company. Autoglym glass cleaner. Smells absolutely amazing. Not like that. When you get it on the glass in the mirrors, it smells lovely. I also use this on my visor and my helmet. So.
The new pens I've got?
The new pens you got, yeah?
Yeah. They smell like actual fruit.
But you can't eat them though, because they're just smelly pens.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't want to.
Draw paper, it still has the smell.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, so the pen smell, and then when you draw, the paper smells.
Yeah.
Don't eat it.
I'm not, but it's like, do you know, it's like when you colour on it,
Yeah.
it smells like the actual fruit on the paper.
Oh, does it now?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Well, let's come check it out.
Like, the Sharpie, if you put it on wood, you can still smell it.
Oh, okay. Can I get back to the video now?
Yeah.
Cheers. So, all of these one use. So I'll use them, then I've got a separate box because I like to be a bit OCD, and they'll go and get washed. So I'll use them, wash them. I don't have anything loud about everything. Everything is washed and clean before I use it.
You would never leave your boots up there laying down on the floor.
No. Because I've had the bike painted, I don't want it getting ruined. So I'm trying to keep it as nice as I can, as best you can, with dogs, children and all sorts all over it. So let's go over to the first bit, which is we'll clean the chain off and then we'll get the bike outside.
Yeah.
Are you going to clean your bike today?
Yeah, both of them.
Both of them? Oh, you push bikes. Oh, okay.
Push bike and dirt bike.
Push bike and dirt bike. Okay, right, so let's get to it. Let's do it. It absolutely pained me to leave this bike this dirty and this horrible. To prove to you guys that she does get dirty. Mate. That's because you keep leaving it outside, mate. Oh no.
What?
It's okay, it's not broken. There you go, new feet. Found out a new feature of the Motul brushes. You can undo them, so you can, like, I suppose. Oh, that's a bit better, that's a bit easier. Look at that, much better.
Yeah!
So, as I'm doing it, I'm rolling away from my hand, because otherwise, me being me, quite accident prone, I don't want to get my fingers. Yeah, but I didn't chop the foam off on the motorbike, did I?
No.
How did I chop it off?
With a big chainsaw.
With a table saw, that's correct. Sorry? Seat is already removed because my seat isn't waterproof, and also the socks that go over the brake and clutch reservoirs have gone, taking them off. So you're going to go to the wash machine, yeah. I've never really liked to use jet washes on bikes. This has always done the job nicely. As long as you're not squirting it straight into the air intake and then up in the exhaust onto your bike, you'll be fine. One is for paintwork only. If anyone's screaming at the camera right about now, I want to throw some tips at me, by all means, drop a comment and let me know what I'm doing wrong. I'm not a professional detailer. So I've done the tank, rinse it off. Woo! Detergent. Right, nose cone. Again, rinse it off. So top down is the aim. Now I'm not going to do the other side here just yet because that's the dirtiest. It flicks up. I'll leave that until last. Shoot.
My bike was down in running to our car. Will you buy me a new one?
Well, I'm not going to say yes because you're going to go around there and throw it there intentionally. On purpose, aren't you?
They have cars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, at school. And why that happened? Yeah, dangerous. All the carbon's gonna get done. Box. Oh. Magma on the bodywork next. I'll put a picture up so you can see it here. So literally. Woo. So yeah, this stuff, spray it on, leave it 3 to 5 minutes. Should start going red. Then after that, we'll agitate it with a wet cloth.
Yep.
Rinse it off. Yep, and then we'll do the metal work. Pointless wearing his gloves, isn't it? Oh. What the magma does is it gets all the iron particles, apparently. I'll take their word for it. Mummy's home. Next up, engine and machine cleaner, so all of that. Paintwork is done now. You will see me keep wetting it just so I can dry it all at the same time, because in my head I don't want to get dry spots even though I'm going to polish it, so, but I'm winning. Get these calipers. Now, it's a wheel cleaner, wherever I've put it. While the metal cleaner is eating into all the dirt on the metal, we'll give the wheels a good old spritz up. Good for one dinner. Or you've done shopping. He's not out there. Luckily I've got one of these for work, so it comes in handy for I have seen you can get cheap ones online for like 20 quid, don't know how good they are, but Halfords, I think about 7 or 8 quid. I'm going to get the older one and clean the carbon and metal. I don't think I've got 2. Paint. I've blown dried and towel dried. The only thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to start her up just to get some heat through the exhaust to dry out the exhaust rack. So listen. That way. Down with the alpacas, not that way. washed and dried, no polish, no ceramic coating, and she looks good already. I'm not going to lie, the salt from the roads, the gritters, have actually destroyed the alley. But we'll get that back shine again when we get her inside.